Okay.
Oh.
Okay, never mind.
Look at him.
You're showing off.
He's biting the post. Is that what he was playing with?
Oh, is it it's a piece of the post.
That's exactly what he's doing on the guide wire.
So fun.
He's like, I'd like more.
That is so fun.
It's like destructive.
I mean, but fun. I never thought a bear would
Love
be
to see
that
how strong he
fun.
is.
Just playing with PVC.
Look at him trying to get it off, like watching what he's doing.
Yeah. So smart.
Mosquito.
You're cute. I wish we could be friends.
We can. We are.
No, but I wish we could be close.
I'm friends. Definitely. We're besties.
I love this bear.
Bye, bear.